Welcome back to the channel. Today we got some corn harvest highlights. We're going to be showing you guys what we used and how it all went. So let's go. For the combine, we're using a 9670 STS. On the catch cart, we had a 7330 John Deere. With the grain cart full, we loaded up the International straight truck. And since I don't have any grain bins, we'd have to haul this to the elevator. We got kind of lucky this time as we pulled in and there wasn't a big line to sit and wait in. This is the probe that they put in the back of the truck to test your grain quality and test for moisture. We'd dump our first load and it'd come out to 422 bushels. We'd then head back and get ready to do it all again. Next up, we'd be headed on to help on another field.
Last round on this field.